Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, here are the results of Sydney's hair, and if you stay tuned, I will give you all the details so you can do this at home as well. Okay, so Sydney's hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned, and also after I conditioned her hair, I did section her hair in different twists to keep it from tangling. And as you can see, when I detangled her hair and I put it in twist, I rinsed her hair with the twist still in, so the conditioner is still in there, which I don't mind because actually I leave a little conditioner in her hair as a leave-in, so I'm okay with that. And look at this, y'all. If y'all know Sydney and parting and combs, look at this. Then you know that this is amazing for us. No crying, no jumping up and down as I'm parting her hair because as you know, Sydney's hair is texturized. And if you don't know, or if you haven't saw that video yet, I will have a little tab up here, or the video will be linked down below. Okay, so look how I'm just combing through Sydney's hair without a problem. Thank you, Jesus. So anyway, I'm going to be doing 2-strand twists in her hair. And right now, I'm just taking 100% coconut oil, and I am just running it through, making sure that it's penetrating her hair shaft. And I'm going to use this product from Pattern Beauty. No, this is not sponsored, but they did send me a PR package. And I use this curl defining custard on a client that has like a little looser texture than Sydney, and it just melted inside the hair. So I said, okay, I have to try this on Sydney. So I got my Denman brush, and this also defines curls as well, and it is a great way to detangle hair. So I used those two products in her hair, and it just made the styling process so much easier for me. And I think Tracy's campaign is like back to school hair. I love everything about Pattern Beauty, but I was just skeptical. I love it now, but before I was just skeptical about it because you know how people put products out and they just sell because of their name. So when I actually used this product and it actually helped the hair and how it's actually a quality product, I was like, okay, I'm sold, because I'm just not sold off of celebrities just selling anything. I'm not that person. So anyway, I want to tell you about the products that I used as I was washing and conditioning Sydney's hair. So I used the generic brand that's sold in Sally's. It's called generic, but it is the tea tree shampoo and conditioner from Paul Mitchell, which I feel like, because you know I went to school, cosmetology school at Paul Mitchell, and I love everything Paul Mitchell. So when I saw these products, I was like, let me try it out. And they're, I don't want to say just as good, but they serve the purpose just like Paul Mitchell products served as well. And also I use the Aussie deep conditioning conditioner and I left that on her hair until I detangled that part. Sydney, I could say, woo, it was a little stressful for me, you know, but I told her, okay, this part may hurt because I'm detangling, but it's going to be so much better once I start styling. It won't hurt as much. And as you can see, look at her. Y'all know I'm never able to just part Sydney's hair. She has the combs and everything. So look at her feeling it. She was like, oh, it doesn't hurt that much, Mom. You know, she said that much because, you know, it still hurts a little bit for her because she is tender-headed. So I'm just adding the coconut oil on first here. And I'm making sure that oil is in her hair, adding moisture, because she does have a little leave-in conditioner left in her hair because I didn't wash it out thoroughly, because I like to leave a little conditioner in it, and then her hair is really thick. So I would have been rinsing that out of her hair for a long time just because it had the twist in it. So I'm just going to two strand twist her hair, and I'm just going to let you guys watch. Oh guys, and before I forget, if you like this video, if you feel like you learned something in this video, or you just like to look at Sydney's hair, please subscribe, press that notification bell, and share this video. Thank you. Okay, so here's Sydney's hair. Oh my god, I just love how thick her hair is, how plump her twists are. I feel like these are the dream twists that I want to have in my hair, and she's just so lucky. She's blessed to have hair like this. So here is the hydrating mist from Pattern Beauty that I'm using because her hair got a little dry, and I wanted to add that water back into her hair before I started twisting. So that product is something that you would use every day if your hair needed like a little pick-me-up, a little hydration. So I'm happy to have that because usually I would just use water and oil. So you can use that. Now, okay, so remember I told you guys that I was using the coconut oil first, and then I applied the curl defining custard on her hair second. I wanted to see the difference because it is the way you apply products to your hair has a different turnout. So I tried using the defining custard first, and I noticed that I really didn't like it. It made Sydney's hair a little more harder to detangle. So I just wanted to see the difference in how the hair reacted. So I went back to adding the coconut oil first because I love the way it moisturized Sydney's hair with the leave-in, and then the oil, and then the custard. I love that way other than the leave-in, custard, and then oil, if you understand what I'm saying, like the lock method. And I like to play around with combinations to see which is better for Sydney's hair type. So I think from now on I will add the leave-in, the oil, and then the custard to seal it. That worked great for Sydney's hair. And also I saw that as I was doing her hair, the ceiling fan was on, and it was like making her hair dry up faster, and I had to add more product to her hair, more water, you know, because it was drying fast. And I was like, okay, we got to turn off that fan. And she's like, okay, let's do it, because it started to hurt a little bit as I was styling her hair. So she was like, all right, let me do it now, Mom. I'm like, okay, go for it. You guys like this video if you love Sydney's twists. I just love them, and I'm just so excited that her hair has grown, because the last time I did her hair was last year. I'm going to insert a picture here. Last year at this time, I did her hair in two-strand twists. They were so short, and I'm just proud of the way her hair has grown. About 2 years ago, I did cut her hair. I shaved the back of her hair, and then I cut the top of her hair to match the back of her hair as it was growing out. So I do her trims. I did a trim about 2 months ago. I'm not going to trim her hair as much, but Sydney's hair she has great hair. It's very healthy, even though I did Texturize it last month, but I made sure to not really loosen her curls because that was not the point for me. to get her hair straight, because if I wanted it straight, I would have just put a relaxer in it. It was just to loosen the curls a little bit, and I felt like I wanted to loosen them up more. But this is perfect for us, because it's like her hair has never been textlaxed at all. It's still, I still think it's 4C. It still has the coils, and it's still coarse but fine at the same time, if you know what I mean. Her hair is perfect. It was perfect before, but it's perfect now as well. And she's happy with her hair, and I'm happy with her hair. So I'm just going to let you guys watch until you see the finished product. Here's a little tip. Because I love how plump and thick Sydney's twists are, at night I don't allow her to wear a silk scarf, because it will smash the twist and they won't be as plump and bouncy. So wear a bonnet to bed, a satin bonnet or a silk bonnet, because the bonnet will not smush or smash down the twist. Just a little tip. Okay, guys, here is the finished product. I added some shine to her hair. I added a little wrapping lotion, and I also added a little finishing spray to her hair. It's like a light hold, just so that she won't have any flyaways. I just thank you guys for watching. I've been getting DMs on my Instagram about how people want to text like their daughter's hair, or they want to relax their child's hair, and they don't want to do it because they don't want backlash. But I'm like, do what's best for your family, what is going to help you out, and look at the reasons why you want to do it. If you are okay with that, then do it. Nobody lives the life that you live in your house with your children, okay? So don't let people bully you into things that you don't want to do. If you want to relax your child's hair, do it. If you want to keep it natural, do it. If you want to text-lax it, do what makes you happy and what's right for your family. I thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.